Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to my channel. And today if we see markets exactly going down as we expected, right? And we were expecting that there would be a breakout failure that could happen in the market, but markets did not give a breakout failure and went down straight instead, right? And if you see, if you would have taken a trade from the levels that we had spoken yesterday, you would have made very good money both in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And if you see, very good momentum coming in the market, giving us straight targets in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now, what can you do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. First of all, talking about the FNO data, if you see, pros and clients have gone even more bullish, FIs have gone, and pros have gone even more bearish. So it looks like the market will stay in pressure tomorrow also, and we can expect more continuation of this fall till lower levels. Now, I'm not saying that the market will crash from here or anything, but yes, definitely the market is indicating that this is not the time to go long, right? Where will we go long is somewhere near this area. Now I'm going to talk about that in the coming in the basically going forward in the video. But what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. If we open flat, then as soon as we cross 22,240, you guys can go ahead and take a short position again with a target of 22,150 on the downside. You can again get these 100 points pretty fast, but if you get a trade basically near 22,360 to 22,380 in this area, even 20,400 is fine in this area. If you get a trade, and if you are seeing again market making negative price action at higher levels, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position at this level, and that will be the best trade for you, because then you can keep very big targets on the downside till 20,150, right? Because it looks like the market will give one more move on the downside based on all the data that is on the data that is coming. It looks like the market will give us one more move on the downside till 22,100 levels, somewhere near this area, maybe even 22,000 on the downside. So basically till 22,000 we'll assume, but yes, market may give us a move till 22,100 area also, and then maybe take support from over there, right? So yes, definitely. What can you do for tomorrow? If you open with a little bit of gap up, wait for market to go up a little bit, and then wait for market to make negative price action. As soon as the market makes negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position in Nifty over here with a target of 20,150 on the downside. That will be your first target, and only target, because I think that target will also come pretty fast, something like which happened today, right? So if we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 20,200 with a 100-point gap down, then we'll wait for a little bit of pullback till 20,300, basically today's closing. And then once the market is taking good rejection from this, from 20,300, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position again with a target of 20,100 or 150 on the downside, and then you can trail a little bit and hold till maybe 20,100 also on the downside. So if we open with a very big gap down below 20,200, then we will not take a trade over here. Rather, we will look for opportunities to take a buying position over here, because then there will be good amount of short covering that can happen from lower levels. So tomorrow, if we say below 20,000, basically below 20,150, once we go below 2150 and you are seeing that market has started to make positive price action, double bottom, any sort of bullish price action in this area, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade from this area with a target of 20,300 on the upside, because then it looks like the chances are that market will recover a little bit, and there will be a good amount of short covering, because these guys, if you see, have already made their positions today, right? Let's leave client over here, but yes, these guys have already made their short positions today, so they would want to take they would want to book their profits over here and not make even more short positions. So I hope that is very clear for you guys, and I hope you guys understand what is tomorrow's plan. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, same thing for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty may go up a little bit till 48,700 and all these levels. 48,680 to 48,700, actually 48,650 to 48,700 will be the area where you can think about taking a short position again in Bank Nifty. If you see, this high basically will now act as a resistance for Bank Nifty, maybe 48,640 also. But yes, I hope you guys get the idea of what zone I'm talking about. If you guys did not get the idea, I will just make it for you over here. Basically, in this zone, if you get Bank Nifty tomorrow again, and you are seeing that Bank Nifty is taking good rejection from here, then you can again think about taking a short position from that level. Then your first target will be 48,300 on the downside, and then your second target will be 48,000 straight up, right? Book a little bit before 48,000. Don't wait for exact level of 48,000, as I always say. But yes, best thing would be if you open with a little bit of gap up, because that will ensure that the trade, basically the market has not already gone down, right? If the market opens straight up near 48,000, then it will be hard for us to take a trade, right? Or it will be a little bit of a volatile market and we won't really get a very good trade. So if the market opens with a little bit of gap up and market just tries to recover a little bit, then you can think about taking a short position at higher levels. Or even if above this swing, right, so somewhere near 48,500 also, if you're seeing that market is struggling to go above 48,500, market has started to make negative price action, then you can think about taking a short position even at this level, no problem at all. Because maybe because sometimes in a selling market does not really go up, because again, today also we were expecting that market may break this level, may break this trend line and then start to go up, but market did not give us a chance, and that's why I also did not really take any trade today, any short trade, which I was really hoping that I wanted to take a short trade. Looking at the data, I was expecting that there would be a good sell off, but market did not really give us a chance. Market just went down straight up from here. Can't really do anything about it. We will think about taking a trade tomorrow, right? So at higher levels, if you see that market is struggling to go up, and as soon as the market starts to make negative price action, or any sort of market makes any sort of a very good rejection candle in 15 minutes, you can still think about taking a short trade at that place, no problem at all, because it looks like market will give us one more move on the downside, and then maybe we might see short covering from these lower levels, right? So yes, at higher levels, we'll take a short position. Our target will be 48,300 first of all, and then 48,000 on the downside. These will be our two targets. Book a little bit before 48,000, as I always say. If we open at 48,000, right, near this area is where we will think about taking a bullish position. 47,800 to 48,000 will be the area which will act as a good support for the markets. Why do I say so? Is because if you see, markets have taken a very good support most of the times in this area over here. So it looks like that if the market comes down again over here, we will see a good amount of basically support that the market can take from this area. So what you guys can do is in this area of 48,000 to 47,800, if the market starts to make higher high after, let's say if we open with a gap down somewhere near 48,000 or 47,900, and then if we start to make higher high, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here, because then it looks like the market will give us a good amount of short covering at least till 48,200, and then maybe market might take a little bit of resistance from here or just consolidate over here for the rest of the day. So I hope that is very clear. If you open flat and start crossing 48,200, you guys can then also go ahead and take a short trade till 48,000 on the downside, because you can get these 200 points pretty fast in Bank Nifty, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys, and I hope tomorrow's plan is also very clear. Again, I think it looks like the market will give us one more move on the downside, one more basically down move, and then we will see a good amount of short covering that can happen in the market, because I don't think these positions that are being made in the market, right, I don't think anybody would want to carry very heavy positions for a very long time, except for client, because again, these are retailers, right? You can't rely on retailers. They can do a lot of things, right? A lot of, I mean, idiotic things. But yes, FIs and pros, I don't think they would want to carry very big amount of positions in as the elections are coming closer. But yes, we do not know anything what can happen. Maybe we might be wrong, right? But yes, we will still go with the price action. Price action will tell us everything. And tomorrow also, same thing as tomorrow. At lower levels, you'll need to see the price action. Maybe market might not take support from this area and continue to move down, maybe move down till 47,500, 47,000, who knows. But you need to look at price action. Price action will be very important. If you are saying that price action is telling you that there is good buying coming in from lower levels, that means chances are that these guys who have made short positions are now covering their shorts over here, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.